Searching for a job? Stop. Looking for career in IT MNC? Join our free demo? Look no further. Introducing Build network with Senior IT Manager, Senior IT Administrator. Make your dreams come true. Don't just work hard, work smart. Through a vision experts.
Hi, good evening everyone. I believe that success is not the key of happiness. Happiness is the key of success. If you love what you are doing, you will be successful. I am thrilled to announce my recent job offer with desktop support engineer with the Sampark Software Pvt.Ltd with the good package. This achievement makes a significant milestone in my career, and I am grateful for the support and guidance of eVision. My name is Akshay, and I am from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I hold bachelor's degree in civil engineering from Pvt.Ltd University. The comprehensive training I received at eVision, including both theoretical knowledge and practical knowledge skill. eVision up-to-date program ensure was well equipped with the necessary technical soft skill, the personalized attention and membership from the experienced training, and they are very good, and their achievements are very good. All of freshers graduate, I highly recommend for eVision. Their training is invaluable investment, I can say. So thank you for eVision and thank you for eVision team.
Learn from the best. Boost your IT technical skills. And more. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the opportunity to be a part of IT MNC. Job bole, to a vision.